describe your heart.
Hi everyone, so sa ngayon tinan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa araw na to. We have this one, in either way. We also got this, in either way. We also have the broke, in either way. And we also have the past. So God is wanting you to know na the past is now behind you. Kasi in the past siguro yung nangyari dito is hindi kayo masaya. I feel na iba sa inyo until now you're feeling this way. But that God is wanting you to know na this kind of broken things that happened in the past, it will not repeat itself. Especially guys, if you learned your lessons already. We also have my angel in either way, and we also got this one. So, kung sakali man nung past minalas kayo sa certain na bagay, lalo na sa career, gusto nang ipalam sa inyo ng Diyos na sisable kung ano man ang endeavor mo during this period. But with my angel in either way, pero isang condition guys, dapat manatili kayong mabuti at matuto kayo sa mga mistakes. Kaya kami minalas noong past, can be during that time, hindi kayo nasa proper mindset or pwede rin yung may problem kayo, may issues, at saka kailangan nyo i-resolve yun, at saka napagdaanan nyo siya para kayo ay matuto. So, especially if you learn your lessons, you will not experience the past. Pero kung hindi nyo pa na-learn your lessons, palit-ulit nyong gawain yung past, uulit at uulit talaga guys, okay? So, disclaimer lang. Okay? Remember na, saka hindi mauulit yung past kapag nagbago, kapag natuto. Okay? Uulit lang si past if you maintain in the energy of this in reverse. Okay? So anyway, that's it. And God bless all of you.